Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy Dogecoin on Binance app. It's really fast and easy, and let me show you how. So when you basically open the Binance app, you should see similar window to this. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to change it. So on the top left corner there is your profile icon, so press on it, and the first option is Binance Lite, so toggle this on and you will end up on Binance Lite version, and then you should see basically all the markets. So what you need to do here, you can basically press on search and write Doge here, or simply you can search manually and you can find on the quick menu and just press on it, and then it shows basically the price of the Doge coin. And then what you need to do here is to on the bottom right corner there is buy button, so press on it, and then you can select the currency here, different one. So for me it's good euro, and then as you can see here you can buy or sell Doge. So select the amount of in your currency how much you want to buy Doge, so for example 50 euros. All right, and then press buy, and then depending on your country you are living, it will be different options. So for me, as you can see here, I only can pay with a card, and maybe you can pay with another methods right here. So it totally depends on your country. And then on the bottom right corner there is confirm button, so confirm it. Of course I need to verify my account, but simply then when you confirm, you will, if you set up a your payment method, you will buy a Dogecoin. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.